guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do an updated room tour because I have been switching things around, and for me how I rearranged my room actually helped me quite a bit in my everyday life, so I figured why not share it. And in the process I just want to show you some tips on organization that I've picked up in the past 6 months I think, and yeah, just to show you guys how I've been living, and I hope it's a little bit helpful if you guys are living in a dorm like I am. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So we're at the door, and right here is where the light switches are. It'd be fun to put a little sticker here. It says Sentry Mode. It's a Marvel reference. If you get it, you get it. Over here, these 2 bags are things that I'm planning to donate, and then for this bag, this is for recycling, and this is my laundry basket. So over here, this is where I hang the coat that I'm currently wearing. It's from Zara. And then I have a shopping bag. I got this in London actually. It is Virginia Woolf's lecture/essay, A Room of One's Own, and I love it so much. Before we go to the bathroom, let's, over here, the living space. I'm sorry, I'm like literally holding the tripod. I feel like this could work better like when I want to set it down and show you guys stuff. So yeah, this is the mirror, the same as last time. And okay, this is where it gets challenging, where I want to show you guys. Here are my shoes, same as last time. And okay, we're gonna move over here to this area. The changes are made. First of all, this first cabinet stayed pretty much the same. This is where I store all my random stuff. These are my cleaning papers and some rubber bead bags, some tissues. And then up here is still where I keep all my kitchen stuff. This is where the changes start to happen. So I got this beautiful tray to hold all my perfumes. And then this is just a random jar that I have, but I think it's cute, so I don't want to throw it away. This is where I keep my rings, and these are all my school books. Up here, this is where I keep all my other books. These are some of my all-time favorite books. And then I switched up the decor again. I got my low-key right here, my little house, my Venom stress ball, and a picture. Up here is where I put all my bags. Oh, let me just put this. There we go. Okay. Before I move to the other space, let's just have a look at my desk area. I have my ring light on right here. That is what that is. First of all, I just have my lamp right here. I have some water bottles. For this, I actually sometimes put it on the shelf right there, but then sometimes when I film I just think it looks cute here, so that's what I did. And then these are just random stuff really. I have my glasses right here, my vitamins, tissue, hand sanitizer, my jewelry area, that's what I like to call it. And then I have my Stitch right here wearing a Star Wars crown and my clock. My laptop, I've just been listening to some Star Wars music, so that's that. Close it real quick. This is still where I put all my stationery and some of my, ooh, that is weird, okay. Some of my notes and stuff. And then this is what I call my makeup station, but it's not really for makeup. There's some hair products and just like stuff that I don't want lying around. It's really good for organization. So if you guys have a lot of makeup like me, don't want to just stuff them in random places, this is the perfect solution. And I have a comb back there, my ring light, my mirror, and my everyday bag. Down here, this should be a laundry basket, but then I just use it to stuff like random things. I have some Bare Minerals products, some shopping bags, a hair straightener, and yeah, just like basically it. And my laptop case. Wait, no, laptop bag. Wait, what are these even called? I don't know. And I feel like using a laundry basket to store things is actually a very good choice. It's very flexible. You can just like put everything that you one out of the way in it, and there are handles, so if you want to move it, it's really easy. And when you have to move, you just need to get everything out, and you can actually fold this and just stuff it in your luggage or any boxes that you have. Anyway, over here I store my paper bags. The paper bags, I'm gonna use them for recycling, and then as for the bubble wrap, there is for when I have to go home. I may have things that are fragile, so I keep those just in case I need it. And then I have one of my suitcase right here. Here is another good tip actually. I have all these shoe boxes all decked up, and these are all storage space for me. I only have, I think, one of them is with shoes, and the other is just like random stuff that I need storing. And I also got a really tiny vacuum for my room. And that is that. Oh, and that's my rubbish bin. This is my current journal, my phone. Let's move on to this area. For the one right here, this is also for random stuff, like I have mask, I have skincare, I have tissue paper, I even have some like my breakfast tea and Coca-Cola right here. This is the most random area in my room, I say. And then this is my food area. There's tons of biscuits in this container, and then I got this basket thing to hold all my food, so it looks so much better. And I don't know, I feel like just easier to find things with it. I don't know why, but yeah, that is what I'm going with. And right here is where I keep some of my books, journals, and school stuff. Right here is where I keep my school stuff. And then behind the snow globe, I have some journals, novels, and all that kind of stuff. And then just some decor all around. Up here I have my, I like to call them my airport attire, even though that's not completely accurate, but I just have my carry-on suitcase and a huge shopping bag if I need one. I have 3 huge drawers that I just put most of my stuff in, so I'm just going to show you how I've been organizing them. The first drawer is where I keep most of my essentials. I use these type of drawer divider to make sure that everything's in place. I have band-aids, I have an adapter, my makeup brush case. This is where I keep my extra like beauty stuff that I need, like hair ties, bobby pins, makeup puffs. And ooh, this is really nice. This is actually a vacuum cleaner for your desk, which is very helpful. That's basically all the stuff. Oops. And then this is the second drawer. This is slightly less practical. I have an extra journal, and then this is where I keep my nail polish and my nail polish remover. I have an extra battery for this camera, and some extra stationery, cotton pads, and ooh, my hard drive. This is very important actually. So yeah. For the last drawer, this is a bit different. I have quite a lot of different stuff. Right here, I have some extra makeup, and I got some double-sided tape. I got my contact lenses, some medicine, my jewelry box, some acne treatments over there, and some wet wipes. Yeah, that's honestly pretty much it. I know it looks like a lot. Oh, I also got some extra light bulbs for my desk lamp and the one near my bed. Oh, by the way, I forgot to show you guys. I just got some of these like tiny containers to put in my drawer, just so that everything is organized and like you don't feel as overwhelmed when you open a drawer and everything just kind of got smushed together. So I feel like for these type of like really big drawers, it doesn't have to be drawers, kind of like the different shelving that I have at the moment, you can see when you open these up, it just looks, well, I mean, not very organized, but at least a bit better. Like with my nail polish compartment, that's what I like to call them. And yeah, so I think this would be my top tip. If you have like a huge space, just get boxes and containers like this to separate everything up. And if it's like a shelf like what I have over here, you can just get these baskets or get like a cute little tray to spice things up a little bit. Okay, and this is my sleeping area. I have my big suitcase back there and a really cute Star Wars pillow. I have, you know, just towels and a sweater that I just washed. So yeah, nothing much change. Right here is one of my favorite parts of the room. I have my Marvel diffuser right next to my reindeers and Christmas tree. Also got this really beautiful snow globe with some champagne glasses and my Death Star resting on a stack of vintage books. I just feel like this whole corner is just so me. It has everything that I love: Star Wars, Marvel, Christmas, and vintage books. Right here is my closet. I just got this random bow right here. This is where I hang my dressing gown. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. It's really soft. And then all the clothes right here are my everyday clothes, and I have my belt. And then over here are my coats. I'm not sure about you guys. When I first saw this closet, I didn't really know what to do with it because, as you guys can tell, there's just like a huge space and nothing else really. So I ended up just hanging up all my everyday clothes up here. But then for sweaters, like things I don't want to hang up, I stuffed them down here with my jeans and my pants in general. And then I got this box. This is just where I put my homeware, sleepwear, and stuff. Right here is where I store my underwear, my socks, and tights. Yeah, that's it. This is how I organize a huge space. Not sure if this is helpful, but you know, when I first got here, it took some time for me to figure out what to do with it. The last place is the toilet. There's actually not much changes to it. I did change out one of my bath mats because it got dirty and it looks kind of gross. But yeah, this is my shower, and I'm still using my Central Perk hand towel. This is where I keep all my cleaning products. Is it focusing? Yep, okay. And another rubbish bin, the toilet, and since I don't have much space, I occupied the toilet space as well. I also got one of these cute decoration. I actually made this myself for both of these. I just got these dry flowers from Amazon. Got these small vases from HomeSense. They are only, I think, like £3 each, which is, I think, it's okay for, you know, just a cute little decoration. I have my mask, makeup remover, my retainer, my razor. These are like part of my skincare. So is this. I got hand wash, toothpaste, and this is just how I organize my stuff in the bathroom. This is where I have my skincare with cotton pads, and then I also have some makeup wipes, wet wipes, pads, all this kind of stuff right here. That is my room. I hope you guys enjoyed this and find this helpful. If you guys did, make sure you give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There will be a new video coming every Saturday, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Until next week, God bless you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye!